Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. I know it's been a little bit since I did a sit down video, but happy new year, you guys. The new year has been off to a weird start, but that's for another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an updated fragrance favorites. So I have been super big into fragrances, and I'm excited about these. So if you want to hear my favorites, of course, just keep on watching. You guys, let me sit back so we can get to talking. Today, I am going to be sharing with you guys my favorite perfumes currently. I recently did a video like this, but I have been on a perfume kick, you guys. My collection has grown quite a bit. So I want to share with you guys my favorite smells. If you want to smell good, like, it's something about smelling good and sexy. And let me tell you, if you tell me I smell good, you are going to make my day. But welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, sis? It's 2022. We're here to make money moves all year while smelling good. So I recently did a perfume video. I think it was like 6 or 7 months ago, and I still love those scents, but I have been gravitating towards some newer scents that I have been obsessed with. So I have 5 fragrances here that I feel like you guys need. I have been buying perfume like once a week lately, but you can never have enough. Like, you can't tell me that I have too many perfumes. Like, you can never have enough, and there's a whole lot more that I have my eye on. But for now, I'm going to share with you guys these. So I'm going to go in the order of the ones that I have been obsessed with and wearing the most. So the first one that I'm going to share with you, it smells so freaking good. Now, I will say, when I first smelled it, I was like, whoa, it's very strong, and it sprays very strong. Like, the smell initially is like, whoa. But baby, when it settles on your skin, and mind you, don't forget, perfume smells different on everybody's body chemistry. Mom? Yes, so let's not forget that fragrances smell different on everybody's body chemistry is different. So it's not what smells good on me may not smell good on you, and vice versa. But this scent right here, you guys, I talk about this all the time on Instagram because it is just that bomb. Like, I feel like that girl when I wear this. I feel like I just smell so good. This is the Angel Nova perfume by Mugler. You guys, this baby right here, this lasts all day. Let me just say that. The first time I wore this, every time I moved, every time I did something, I can smell myself. And I love that about perfumes, because a lot of times it's hard for me to find a perfume that really lasts as long as I want it to. This one I can smell tomorrow. It lasts all day. It smells really good. So this is like it almost smells, it's really strong when you first spray it. But once it settles and dries down, it gives like a sweet raspberry type of feel. And I think raspberry is an ingredient in here. I'll list them on the screen, the notes. But this right here, you just have to smell it. And I mean, you really just have to smell it and give it a chance, because again, when you first spray this, it's very like, whoa. But baby, this one, I've been wearing this so much. I bought the small travel size initially, and I like that because that one also is a spray. You know, a lot of times they're roller balls, and I feel like I don't get the payoff that I want with the roller ball. So I started off with a small one. I throw that one in my purse. And quickly, my husband had to get me this one because it is so bomb. I absolutely love this scent. Like, this is gonna be my staple. It smells good on me. It lasts all day. And the packaging is super cute. So the next one that I'm gonna share with you guys is my second most used. This one's actually fairly new. I've only had this one probably like 2 weeks. This is the Versace Crystal Noir. Y'all, I already knew I was gonna love this because the reviews on it were super good, and I do love Versace. I have another one over here, but this, you guys, oh my gosh, this was a blind buy. This is a blind buy. It smells like heaven. I don't even know, like, this one lasts a long time too. This one stayed on me all day. Every time I moved, at work, walked down the hall, this smelled like I smelled myself. It almost gives, this is also a layerable perfume. You can mix this one. I haven't tried it yet. I heard that it mixes really well with the YSL Libre. I want to say, like, it almost gives off just like a really clean scent. I know there's ginger in here. It smells like oriental, in my opinion. It smells so good, you guys. You just have to smell it. I'll put the notes on the screen as well. For every perfume that I mentioned, I'll try and put the notes on the screen. It just smells so good. I wanted to order the 3 ounce. They were sold out. They were originally sold out of this one. This is the 1.7. Maybe this is the 1 ounce. They were sold out when they finally came back in stock with this one. This one also just makes me feel like it's like a clean scent. You can wear this anytime. You can wear this during the day. You can layer it at night if you want something a little bit more heavy. This just gives, it just smells like you're clean. Like, I don't want to say it smells like a soap, because that don't sound like something y'all gonna want to buy. Like, oh, you're gonna smell like soap. No, it just gives very much clean, classy. It smells so good, and it lasts forever. I love this. These 2 perfumes are right now are my go-tos. I'm obsessed. Like, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed with these. So those are those. And then the next one that I'm going to show you guys, I actually wore this one at my wedding, on my wedding day. This is the Versace Yellow Diamond. As you guys can see, I have completely wore this out. This one smells super fresh, super clean as well. It actually, y'all remember Avon? My grandma used to sell Avon way back in the day. Rest in peace. This smells like a perfume that she used to wear all the time, and she actually ended up giving to me. It was a roller ball and it had glitter in it. It smells exactly like this. This is very like girly, fun, flirty, very light, very clean, but also like, it just smells good. It's very sweet, in my opinion. I like sweet perfumes, sweet floral type of perfume. And I don't know, this one, it just smells, I'm not good at describing scents, so don't hold me to that. Is that okay? I'm not good at describing scents all the time, but this was recommended to me by my MUA for my wedding, and she actually had this one on the day of my wedding, and my sister was like, girl, you smell good. I don't remember smelling her, but my sister did. So we went to Ulta together. We saw this, and my sister was like, that's the one that your MUA had on. So I texted her, and she was like, yeah, that was it, and it's bomb. Shout out to you, because it's bomb. But this one, she also recommended this one. It smells so good. This one I mainly purchased because when I smelled it, it just reminded me of my grandma, and I was like, yeah, I gotta have that. So Versace Yellow Diamond, it's definitely a must-have as well. Okay, so the last 2 that I'm gonna share with you guys, the first one I'm gonna show you is the Burberry Her. This is like a staple. If you guys remember in my last video, I was telling you guys that I meant to purchase the Burberry Her from Ulta. The lady confused and accidentally gave me Her Blossom. I do have that one still, and it does smell really good. But this one, I feel like this one is just, it's definitely sweeter. It's giving me, this one just makes me feel like that girl, like, I smell edible when I wear this. I feel like it just gives, like, I'm just so sweet, you know, give me a kiss. Like, yeah, this one smells good. This one lasts a long time as well. Burberry Her, I feel like every girl needs to try this one. It's a perfume that I feel like a lot of you guys would gravitate towards, and it's just cute. Like, it's classy. If you don't like Chanel Chance, they're not in the same family, but a lot of people feel like that one is for older people. I love that one, but a lot of people do say that that one reminds them of like an older person. Then try this one. If you haven't tried this one, you'll really like it. It's a lot softer, but still, like, you walk into a room and they're gonna smell you for sure. So I love this one as well. And this one, so the last one that I'm going to share with you guys, I have been wanting to buy this perfume for a while now. I think I've told you guys that quite a few times. It is YSL Libre, and this one gives me y'all, when I tell you, I just love fucking smelling good. And this one says, I got money tonight. Take me out tonight. Oh, you buying dinner tonight? Because yes, this one gives me like grown and sexy. I'm gonna be 30, you guys. I'm gonna be 30 in 2 weeks. This is giving, I'm 30, I'm grown, I got my shit together. That's what this is giving. And it's worth it. It's worth it. The bottle is super cute, and a little bit goes a long way. So I heard this will layer really good with this one, because this is a layerable perfume. So I'm gonna try them and see. But yes, I don't, this is a nighttime scent in my opinion. This is a scent that I'm gonna wear on a date night, when I just want to feel super sexy. And this one is a warm floral, so if you're into those type of scents, you're gonna love this one. Y'all know everybody talks about this, like, it's a must-have. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love all the scents that I share with you guys, and if you've tried any of them, comment down below. Also comment down below some of your guys' suggested scents. Like I said, I love perfume. I love trying out new scents. I like sweet floral, sweet clean scents. I don't really gravitate towards warm florals, except for I really love the YSL. That's a warm floral. But yes, comment down below any of your guys' suggestions. Let me know if you've tried any of these. And yeah, let's just go out into the year smelling good, positive vibes only, putting out good energy and getting it back. Let's manifest getting it back. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram at It's Jazz Marie, follow me, hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads here on YouTube. And I'm ready for this content to be pushed back out to you guys. I've been being super lazy, but look, we coming back and we coming ready. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.